Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 205. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap a blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. First, let's enter loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now, you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Once it's done, let's go back and this time select gift card. Similarly to loyalty card, select shop and enter gift card details like card number, PIN, balance and your notes. Then tap save. Let's go back and in the end let's select public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.